The Gopal mantra is called a praying-giving mantra. So that's where it's written in Hari Bhakti Vilas, Gopal mantra and Kam Gayatri. So these are Sampradayic mantras in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, and they have a transcendental source. They originate from Advaitacharya, Nityananda, Gadadhar. And Advaitacharya is Mahavishnu. Mahavishnu is Sadashiva. Mahavishnu is God. And of course, and if you want to go through Parampara, you can say he's initiated by Madhavendra Puri and Brahma Madhva Sampradaya. But even following the idea of Narahari Chakravarti Thakur, he writes in Bhakti Ratnakar, chapter 5, Mathura Mandala Mahatmyam, or Mathura Mandala, the chapter about Mathura Prikrama. He says that in the Bengali it's there, when people would see, this is written 500 years, about 400, almost 500 years ago, Narahari Chakravarti, Bhakti Ratnakar, when people would see the followers of Nimai Pandit, they would say, here are the members of the Nimai Sampradaya. The fifth Sampradaya. There's 4 Sampradayas, Sri Sampradaya, the Madhvas and the Nimbargis, and there's 4. So then we're connected to the Madhvas, Brahma Madhva. This is generally presented. But he's saying that the 5th Sampradaya, beginning with Lord Chaitanya. So these mantras are coming from God, Gopal mantra, and they're powerful. Krishna's name is there, his lila is there. So Guru, chanting Hare Krishna with Guru and with Diksha, it's for sure you'll get prema. Definitely. 100%. That's Shastra. Chanting your holy name without Guru, you'll get Guru. And you'll get Krishna also. I guarantee if you chant Krishna's name, you'll attain Krishna. When and how, Krishna will make that arrangement. In this life or next life, that's with him. If you're chanting Krishna's name, you're with Krishna. Krishna is his holy name. Lord Chaitanya says all Shakti is there. And it says in CC, no Diksha, not needed. Anyone can chant the holy name. But if the Guru, if you surrender to Guru and he gives it to you, you get the blessings of the holy name plus the blessings of Guru, which means the blessings of Krishna. Holy name is Krishna giving his blessings, but slowly. The holy name in the form of Guru gives blessings fastly, very quickly.